Before we start today, I need you to think about something.
Ooh, what is it?
Imagine this. You walk into a supermarket in America. You are pushing your cart, looking for something. You have no idea where it is, so you walk up to a store employee, open your mouth, and...
Excuse me. I am looking for, the bread. Where is, bread place?
The bread place?
I actually said that. In a real supermarket. In front of real people.
The bread place? Jack, it is called the bakery section.
I knew that. I just panicked. The words disappeared.
And here is the shocking part. This does not only happen to beginners. Even people with good English freeze up at the supermarket because they never practiced these specific conversations.
Yeah, supermarkets are full of English conversations, asking for help, checking prices, talking to the cashier, returning items, and if you do not know the right phrases, every single one of those moments feels terrifying.
But after this video, you will walk into any supermarket in America and handle every single situation like a total pro.
And you will never call it the bread place again.
We promise. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack, and today we're taking you on a supermarket trip entirely in English.
Every conversation, every phrase, every situation, we're covering it all today.
And stay until the end because I have another supermarket story that's even more embarrassing than the bread place.
Wait, there's a worse story?
So much worse. You won't believe it.
Oh, you have to stay for that. Trust us. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to the Daily English Talks family.
Hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, let's go shopping.
Let's go.
Okay, first situation, and this happens to everyone. You cannot find what you are looking for. So what do you say?
And please, nobody say, "Where is the bread place?" We are moving past that.
Okay, here are the key phrases for asking for help in a supermarket.
Excuse me, could you help me find something?
I am looking for the cereal aisle. Could you point me in the right direction?
Do you carry organic milk? I cannot seem to find it.
Is this product available in a larger size?
Do you know if this item is in stock? I checked online and it said low stock.
Let me check. Yes, we still have about 12 jars left, but they are going fast today.
Oh, I better grab a couple then. Thank you so much. You literally saved my dinner tonight.
Happy to help. Enjoy your meal.
See how easy that was? I'm looking for, do you carry, is it in stock? 3 simple phrases and you can find anything in any supermarket.
And notice, Jack was polite, said please and thank you, and the employee went out of her way to help. Politeness always works. Okay, now let's talk about something super important, checking prices and understanding labels, because American supermarkets can be very confusing with their pricing.
Yeah, there are sales, coupons, buy one, get one free, loyalty card prices. It can get overwhelming.
Excuse me, this item rang up at the wrong price.
Is this on sale this week?
Do I need a loyalty card to get this price?
What is the unit price on this?
Does this coupon apply to this item?
Okay, Emily and Jack are in the cereal aisle looking at prices.
Oh, Jack, look, this granola is on sale. Buy 2, get 1 free.
No way, that is such a good deal. Do we need a loyalty card for that price?
Yes, it says loyalty card price. Do you have your card?
I have the app, does that count?
Yes, the app works just like the card. Oh, and look at this. This organic yogurt, it says $4.99 on the shelf, but the sign above says $3.49.
Oh, that is a big difference. You should definitely mention that at checkout.
I will. And hey, what is the unit price on the cereal? I want to compare it to the store brand.
It says 28 cents per ounce for the name brand, and the store brand is right here, 19 cents per ounce.
Okay, that is almost a third cheaper. I am going with the store brand.
Look at you, such a smart shopper.
I have been shopping here for years. You learn the tricks.
Did you catch it? Buy two, get one free, loyalty card price, unit price. These phrases will save you so much money at American supermarkets.
Always check the unit price, not just the total price, because a bigger box is not always a better deal. Okay, almost done shopping. Now comes the checkout counter, and this is where so many people freeze up.
Yeah, and this is where my second embarrassing supermarket story happened. But first, let me give you the phrases.
I think this item scanned at the wrong price.
Do you have paper or plastic bags? Or should I use my own?
Can I pay with card?
Could I get cash back, please?
Actually, I forgot something. Could you hold on for just 1 second?
All right, here is what happened to me. I was at the checkout. Everything was going great, and then the cashier asked me,
Hi, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, everything was great, thank you.
Awesome. Do you have your loyalty card?
Yes, here is my app.
Perfect. Your total comes to $47.83.
Sure, I will pay with card. Oh, wait, actually, I think this yogurt scanned at the wrong price. The shelf said $3.49, but it says $4.99 on the screen.
Oh, good catch. Let me fix that for you right away. Okay, your new total is $46.33.
Thank you. Could I also get $20 cash back, please?
Of course. So your total will be $66.33. Go ahead and tap your card.
Done. Oh, and do you have paper bags? I try to avoid plastic.
Absolutely. Here you go, and here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too. Oh, wait. I forgot my eggs. I left them in the cart.
Happens all the time. Here you go.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
Okay, so that was not the embarrassing story. That was actually handled very well.
The embarrassing story was the time I forgot my wallet, had a full cart of groceries, and had to put everything back while 20 people waited in line behind me.
Oh no, Jack.
I wanted to disappear into the floor. It was the longest walk of my life, putting every single item back while everyone stared at me.
So the lesson here, always check you have your wallet or your phone before you go shopping.
Please learn from my mistakes so you never have to do the walk of shame back through the store.
All right, friends, super quick review of everything from today.
Finding items.
Excuse me, could you help me find something?
I am looking for the cereal aisle.
Do you carry organic milk?
Is this item in stock?
Is this on sale this week?
Do I need a loyalty card for this price?
What is the unit price on this?
At checkout, I think this item scanned at the wrong price.
Can I pay with card?
Could I get cash back, please?
Do you have paper bags?
11 powerful phrases, and now you can handle every situation at any American supermarket with total confidence.
And remember, it is called the bakery section, not the bread place.
I will never live that down, will I?
Never, but hey, now you know the right phrase, so it was worth it.
And always, always check you have your wallet before you go shopping.
Now, go to the comments and tell us, have you ever had an embarrassing or funny moment at a supermarket?
Tell us your story, or just write, I will never forget my wallet like Jack. We want to read it.
And tell us, do you love grocery shopping or do you find it stressful?
Because for me, it is both at the same time, every single time.
And if today's lesson was helpful, please hit that thumbs up. It really means the world to us.
Subscribe to Daily English Talks and share this with a friend who's learning English and loves to shop.
New lessons every week. Easy, fun, and real American English just for you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and next time you walk into a supermarket, speak English with total confidence.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.